Alrighty guys, so I'm back and I'm gonna do a quick mini tutorial of how to curl your hair. Alright. So currently what I have on is a 13 by 5 inch frontal from Crafted Queens collection. It is an 18 inch, yes, 18 inch naturally straight texture. I have also an 18, 20, 22 inch as the bundles below. And yes, this is a wig. I just glued it down. Yeah. So what we're gonna do first is make sure we comb the hair thoroughly. The hair's been washed. I haven't done nothing to it. The only thing I did was just probably like 30 minutes ago was set my baby hairs down, but I didn't tie my hair down. I have my Chi Silk Serum. I'm using as my heat protectant. All I'm gonna use is literally a pea-sized amount of product. Want me to get to my hand and spread it, especially towards the ending of the hair. And then I'm gonna rake it. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna comb it this way.
As you guys watch me struggle to figure out how to do this part, I didn't know if I wanted a side part, a middle part, a deep side part. I want my baby edges back if I don't want it back. But please guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any ideas, of any looks that you want to see, please let me know on a comment below. Alright? So let's get back to the video because I think my mouth is moving. Yeah.
Don't want it that low. Alright. This is supposed to be a quicker wig, but I'm like making 9,000 decisions at once. I'm really bad at that. Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on my left hand side. I'm just picking up a good amount. This is my Babyliss Pro Curling Iron. I don't remember. I think it's a quarter. I said a quarter. This is an inch. Yeah, it's not an inch and a half. This is an inch. I don't remember. So I'm gonna grab the hair and feed it. And what I like to do is like when it's like curling to rest it really fast, I make sure I don't drop it yet, but I squeeze it so that all the heat can go and mix through or whatever. And then I'm gonna just drop it like that.
time for us to rewind. So right now I'm taking a section on my right hand side and I'm feeding it onto the curling iron. I'm showing you guys how I'm feeding the hair into the iron so that the heat can be dispersed throughout every strand of the hair. And that's how you complete a nice, flowy, curly look. So as you can see how I had that strand stick out from the bottom because the curling iron that I have, it doesn't feed all the way. I just sticked it up and put it in, and now I'm just holding it in place. Hold the heat, hold the curl, sis, hold the curl, drop her. Look.
So I hope you guys like this mini tutorial on how to curl your wig, your hair, whatever. It's a quick tease, y'all tripping. Quick tease, girl. Quick. Of course, if you wanted the top to be more I would cut some layers, but I ain't cutting no. I'm too committed. I like this natural flow. I don't care for too much juice. But of course, I would add some finishing spray. However, I stay away from that. gonna. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you've seen on this channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification button just so you get the ding once I drop down a new video. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Well, I'm gonna keep saying